Hello guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to the video. Here I did Black Cat, aka Felicia Hardy. I'm combining 3 different foundations. I'm using the 2 L'Oreal, the Pro Matte and the Pro Glow, and then I used the Tarte Shape Tape just to lighten it up. The concealer I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. If you notice those little red marks on my shoulders, those are just a massage therapy technique called cupping. It's just like a suction cup, so it kind of looks like hickeys, but very intense. So don't be freaked out by that, by the way. Next, I'm grabbing everybody's favorite Shape Tape concealer. I'm just using the Airspun to set the concealer and foundation. Next, I'm grabbing the Hoola bronzer. It's just in a 3-pack palette. Next, I'm grabbing the Tarte bronzer palette, just contouring the sides of my cheeks and everywhere else. Then I'm just going and smoothing everything out with the same brush that I used to bronze. Then I'm doing the nose contour. I'm just using the same Hoola bronzer. Just grabbing the light shade in the Tarte bronzing palette, and I'm just kind of correcting the contour lines on my nose. Just evening that out and using my beauty blender to kind of make lines for my contour. Here I'm using Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. I'm using Cake Mix as a transition shade with a fluffy brush. Next I'm grabbing Ouch, and I'm just going on top of Cake Mix. And I was going pretty heavy-handed, so I grabbed a clean fluffy brush. Came from my BoxyCharm box, and I'm just blending everything. Next, I'm grabbing Intravenous, and I'm putting it in the outer edges, and I'm just winging it out like a cat eye. Then I'm grabbing a dark brown shade from the palette Pur, P-U-R. Then I'm grabbing the brush I've been blending everything out with and blending everything. Then I'm just putting a little bit of concealer in the beginning of my eyelids. Next, from the Flamingo palette, I am grabbing the shimmery yellow shade. It is from Violet Voss. I'm just putting that in the inner corners and putting it to the middle of the eyelid. Then from the Pur palette, I'm grabbing the 2 dark shimmery shades at the bottom and just putting it on the outer corners. And I'm just taking one of the brushes I used earlier and just kind of blending everything. Then I'm cleaning up with the LA Girl concealer just on the corners, just to get a sharp edge. Then I'm taking the reddish copper shade from the Purr palette and I'm putting it under my eyes. From the Studio Makeup palette, I am taking the brown and black shade and I'm putting under my eye. So my camera had died. I had lined the other eye, and this is basically how I did it. I put eyeshadow to kind of outline the wing how I wanted it with the black eyeshadow and a angled brush. It's kind of what I do anyway. I feel like it's a lot easier to get your wing on point. Ooh, one of my favorite parts. So I'm taking a white eyeliner and I'm just going in at the corner of the eye, so like the little part in between the line that we made and your eye and then the water line. Then I'm just highlighting the brow bone with a shimmery yellow shade from the Studio Eye palette and then the shimmer white shade from that same palette. Next I'm grabbing the LA Girl concealer here and I'm cleaning up under the eye. Then I'm grabbing my NYX matte liquid eyeliner. It is really good. I keep buying it. And I'm just lining my eye. Off camera, I put brow gel on my eyebrows and I put on blush. Then I'm just spraying a little bit of Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Here I'm using the Laura Geller highlighter shade. I am cleaning up my eyes with the Well Rested powder. It's still one of my favorites. Then I grabbed a lip liner from Urban Decay and I used a MAC lip matte shade. It is Bronx, and you can honestly go out like this, just put on some lashes and call it good. But the Black Cat features a red lip, and I will be putting on the Tati lashes. They will be linked down below. I used a ColourPop red lip and an LA Girl lip liner in red and a Urban Decay red lip gloss. And I think that was it for the look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and party safe.
that's not exactly what I had in mind for tonight. But I guess I should respond. My spider sense.
I knew you'd come, Spider.
Who are you?
Just a stray black cat.
You're definitely getting enough vitamins.
Silly Spider. Cats always land on their feet. Hey, I was just being curious. I wanted to see if I was as strong as you.
Well, you know what they say about curiosity.
Indeed. I also know the value of surprise. Sorry, Spider. I want to know just who's behind your mask. No, this isn't what I want after all. It'll be far more rewarding when you take the mask off for me, willingly. Till next time.
Come on, get open! Whoever that woman was, she gives new meaning to the word knock.